Hey, all my dear friends, here that's the K970-300 demolition excavator cabin. Cabin door can be opened. Inside decoration and the screen. Lock it back. Rear side connection directly assembled to excavator, and bottom that's the screw-driven cylinder for tilting rising cabin. That's the track. Now it's moving. All these steel track and steel pins. And here we have the forward idle wheel with spring compression for the track tension. Top rollers all steel with bearing. So this one we can remove. Inside you see all have steel bearing. Yeah? And that's the compression spring. Push in, this nut will be in the hole and pushing from the frame this washer to compress the spring. So this nut screw in will be adjusting the tension. And here we have the rotation, gearbox motor, all highly simulation in scale. Thank you. See you.